The choppiness index tells you one thing, whether the market is trending or chopping sideways. It doesn't tell you direction, really only how directional the move is. So here's how to use it on TradingView. First, head over to any chart, click the / key, type in choppiness index, and then add it. Once you have it, a lower pane will drop and it'll have a line. Now, the way you read it is first it goes through 0 to 100. And low readings down near the bottom mean a strong trend is in play. High readings up near the top mean price is chopping up and going nowhere. So there's usually two reference lines around 61.8 and 38.2. So above the upper line, pretty choppy. Below the lower line is trending. So a big use case here is actually filtering, because trend strategies work when this is low and they get chewed up when it's super high. So you check this first to know which kind of market you're in. Now, you can go and change, the default length in settings. The default length typically is 14. So the way you change it is head over to the pane on the bottom and hover over the name, go to settings, go to length and simply change it. And for calculation, you can change the time frame as well. But other than that, have a great day, guys.